Hello and welcome to Service Tools. If you're watching this video, that means you probably just signed up for our services, and I'd like to say thank you, and we are thrilled to have you on board. This is the first installment of the Essentials training, where we'll go through setting up your company and account settings. So after getting all of your company information over to our support team to get your account set up, you probably received an email that looks a lot like this. There will be a link here to verify your account. If you go ahead and click on that link, that will verify your account with us and enter the password that you were provided with when we set up your account in this spot here. Log in, and that will bring you to our agreements and our account setup system. So all you have to do here is carefully read all of these, of course. Scroll down to the bottom of each one of these notices. Select that you have read and understand all these agreements and hit I agree. Now a lot of this may have been set up by our account setup team already, but we want to go through and make sure that your logo is in there and everything else. So the way you would get your logo in here is a simple copy and paste. If you have your logo on your website or something, you can just right click on it, go down to copy image, and just paste that right here. You can also go into like the Windows photo viewer, things like that. You can also copy and paste things like that as well. But we're going to stick with our original logo here, so Stark Industries it is. For the purposes of this training, we're pretending that we are Tony Stark from Stark Industries, and we have a business that sells Iron Man suits, flying cars, etc., etc. So that's one of our ways of just having a little fun with it. Again, you want to go through here and just make sure that everything is correct with your address, slogan, all of this kind of stuff, and make sure your theme color is set. You can this can be any color you want. You can use this little picker to pick a color from your logo if you want to. If you know your company's colors, you can use that, or just use your favorite color, whatever that may be. And that will change all the scroll bars on the sides of the windows and these little shadows, just the accent colors in the system, to be something that's going to be enjoyable for you. I like this kind of cool blue color here, so we'll go with that. Next thing you want to do is hit this next button, and that will bring you to the account setup. This is where you choose what features you want to use. I would recommend all of them. They're all great features, and they all work together really nicely to give you a good, efficient system that's going to save you a lot of time and hopefully make you a lot more money. There's two different kinds of account types. There's a sales account and a full access account. So with the sales account, this only gives you access to the quoting system, which allows you to customize your quotes, use a products database to drop line items and services into those quotes easily. And that's about it. Once that quote is accepted or rejected, that's it. That's as far as you go. With the full access, that gives you everything that you need to manage from the initial customer's phone call all the way through the project to the very end and beyond, follow-ups and things like that. So that includes the quoting system, work orders, tasks, reports, vendors, users, time clocks, vans, all this kind of stuff that we'll go into in future videos. You also want to check your billing frequency. We do offer quarterly and yearly discounts, so you might want to take advantage of that. And then you want to choose all the different modules that you want to add on to the system. If you want details on those, you can go over to our pricing page. That's servicetools.com/pricing, and that gives you a really good description of each one of these and what they offer you. So back here, once you're done with that, we're going to want to put in our credit card information. Now this is a fake credit card number for testing, so don't try to use that on anything. We'll get this all set up here. Let's say 227, 123. So we can just click the next button here, and that will save our settings. And there we go. We'll click OK, and that'll bring us to our home screen. You are now in the system. We can start setting this all up, and we'll go over all of that in the next few videos. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a Service Tools customer. We greatly value your business and hope we can work together to make this a solution that is going to be great for you. We'll see you in the next video.